Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Study Guide with Wikir. Today's topic, full forms. Most important full forms for general knowledge. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, also click on bell icon for more videos. Let's start and repeat with me. Full form of NCR, National Capital Region. Full form of PCS, Provincial Civil Service. Full form of TDS, Tax Deducted at Source. Full form of CID, Crime Investigation Department. Full form of TRP, Television Rating Point. Full form of AM, Ante-Meridiem. Full form of PM, Post-Meridiem. Full form of DP, Display Picture. Full form of MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. Full form of IPL, Indian Premier League. Full form of ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Full form of FYI, for your information. Full form of KPI, Key Performance Indicator. Full form of CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. Full form of UPA, United Progressive Alliance. Full form of IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission. Full form of Nifty, National Stock Exchange 50. Full form of AMC, Annual Maintenance Contract. Full form of CPM, Cost per Mile. Full form of CHC, Community Health Centers. Full form of DTDC, Desk to Desk Courier or Cargo. Full form of WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature. Full form of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Full form of IG, Inspector General of Police. Full form of NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. Full form of CMA, Credit Monitoring Analysis or Arrangement. Full form of CST, Central Sales Tax. Full form of NDA, National Democratic Alliance. Full form of TPA, Third Party Administrator. Full form of ACP, Assistant Commissioner of Police. Full form of EPFO, Employees Provident Fund Organization. Full form of CAG, Controller and Auditor General of India. Full form of CIA, Central Intelligence Agency. Full form of NCW, National Commission for Women. Full form of TDS, Tax Deducted at Source. Full form of PDF, Portable Document Format. Full form of BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money. Full form of SEWA, Self-Employed Women's Association. Full form of HR, Human Resources. Full form of NAAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Full form of UNO, United Nations Organization. Full form of SWAT, Special Weapons and Tactics. Full form of IFFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. Full form of PIL, Public Interest Litigation. Full form of FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Full form of CISF, Central Industrial Security Force. Full form of NSS, National Service Scheme. Full form of ASA, European Space Agency. UNDP, United Nations Development Program. UGC. University Grants Commission. PCO. Public Call Office. IB. Intelligence Bureau. LLP. Limited Liability Partnership. SCADA. Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. SKU. Stock Keeping Unit. SIP. Systematic Investment Plan. CGL. Combined Graduate Level. PO. Probationary Officer. UNESCO. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. TAN. Tax Deduction and Collection, Account Number. ILNFS. Infrastructure Leasing or Financial Services. UNIDO. United Nations Industrial Development Organization. GSI. Geological Survey of India. SLA. Service Level Agreement. USP. Unique Selling Proposition or Unique Selling Point. POS. Point of Sale. MNC. Multinational Corporation. AAI. Airport Authority of India. BIFR. Board for Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. CITU. Center of Indian Trade Unions. APAC. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. UNICEF. United Nations Children's Fund. IMF. International Monetary Fund. MSMA. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. IGST. Integrated Goods and Services Tax. SAARC. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. CIF. Customer Information File. LOC. Line of Control. FBI. Federal Bureau of Investigation. NACO. National AIDS Control Organization. DST. Department of Science and Technology. NDRF. National Disaster Response Force. WMO. World Meteorological Organization. DRI. Directorate of Revenue, Intelligence. TADA. TA Traveling Allowance, DA Dearness Allowance. NCB. Narcotics Control Bureau. TIN. Taxpayer Identification Number. NMDC. National Mineral Development Corporation. EWS. Economically Weaker Section. NOC. No Objection Certificate. PSU. Public Sector Undertaking. CRM. Customer Relationship Management. CPCB. Central Pollution Control Board. NASDAQ. National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. PWD. Public Works Department. IRDP. Integrated Rural Development Program. CTBT. Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. STD. Sexually Transmitted Diseases. DRDO. Defense Research and Development Organization. ICDAS. Integrated Child Development Services. COB. Close of Business. IA. IDS. NCR. National Capital Region. ICWA. Indian Child Welfare Act. ICWAI. Institute of Cost and Works, Accountants of India. CRISIL. Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. CTC. Cost to Company. GST. Goods and Service Tax. NGO. Non-Governmental Organization. CVC. Central Vigilance Commission. HAL. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. SIT. Special Investigation Team. MFN. Most Favored Nation. ICMR. Indian Council of Medical Research. NRI. Non-Resident Indian. IMA. Indian Military Academy. CIA. Confederation of Indian Industry. COO. Chief Operating Officer. KPO. Knowledge Process Outsourcing. CMO. Chief Medical Officer. EPC. Engineering, Procurement, and Construction. GPA. Grade Point Average. CV. Curriculum Vitae. ISO. International Organization for Standardization. AD. Enforcement Directorate. IATA. International Air Transport Association. SPSS. Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. ASEAN. Association of Southeast Asian Nations. POC. Proof of Concept. ATS. Anti-Terrorism Squad. BIS. Bureau of Indian Standards. DSC. Digital Signature Certificate. BHEL. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. CFO. Chief Financial Officer. GAIL. Gas Authority of India Limited. CEO. Chief Executive Officer. LG. Lieutenant Governor. ASIC. Employee State Insurance Corporation. UIDAI. Unique Identification Authority of India. SME. Small and Medium Size Enterprises. ABS. Anti-Lock Braking System. MLA. Member of Legislative Assembly. Sensex. Stock Exchange Sensitive Index. PCC. Police Clearance Certificate. BPL. Below Poverty Line. RAC. Reservation Against Cancellation. KRA. Key Result Area or Key Responsibility Area. ONGC. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. TGT. Trained Graduate Teacher. SHO. Station House Officer. BBC. British Broadcasting Corporation. GMT. Greenwich Mean Time. ISI. Indian Standards Institute. ASI. Employee State Insurance. AWS. Amazon Web Services. AWACS. Airborne Warning and Control System. B2B. Business to Business. B. Pharma. Bachelor of Pharmacy. CAG. Controller and Auditor General of India. CAIIB. Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers. DVR. Digital Video Recorder. DVT. Deep Vein Thrombosis. EBC. Economically Backward classes. EBRT. External beam radiation therapy. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.